friends, good morning. I'm sorry for this voice of mine. It's because I'm not really feeling well today, guys. It's been 2 days that I'm having a cold and it's not going away. It's still here. So that's the reason for having this kind of voice. And look at my face. My face looks so terrible right now. I have a lot of irritations going on. It is so difficult for me to breathe right now, and yeah, I'm having allergies and stuff, and my sinus is clogged, and the headache. The headache is the worst because I have a very bad headache right now here. But I decided to take a shower because I don't have any fever, so I'm only having running nose, um, some sore throat or something, and bad headache. So I guess it's okay to take a shower so that I know maybe it's just me that, but whenever I take a shower, it makes me feel a little better. So I decided to take a shower. But yesterday I did not take a shower at all because I can't I can't take it, guys. Yeah, I don't really feel so good yesterday. So yeah, that's why this face. And I wanted to show you something, an update on what I've used on my face. Remember on my last vlog that I purchased a moisturizer from Olay. This one, this moisturizer from Olay, and I've tried it. I guess I've already tried it for like a week already. But at first, I feel like the moisturizer is okay though. It helps my skin moisturize very well, and it doesn't make my skin oily. I have an oily skin type, by the way, guys, and my skin is very sensitive, and I'm prone to congested skin. So my skin gets congested easily. Like when I say congested, what I mean by that is that I get blackheads and whiteheads easily if the moisturizer that I use is too thick for me or too moisturizing for me. So I always gravitate towards like serum oil or light type moisturizer so that I will not have clogged pores, because my pores gets clogged easily. Although I don't get acne or pimples, but I tend to have blackheads and whiteheads, and sometimes blackheads and whiteheads, not sometimes but most of the time, blackheads and whiteheads are very annoying, right? It looks so dirty on the skin even though you know that you have washed your skin properly. But when some people saw that you have blackheads or whiteheads, they always assume that, oh, she's not washing her face, or she's a dirty person because you have whiteheads and blackheads. So that's always my concern, because I don't usually have or get pimples, but only blackheads and whiteheads if I'm using the wrong skincare. So like I've said, I've tried the Olay Natural White Light Moisturizer. I've tried Olay before, but I think the one that I tried was the Total Effects. I like the one, but like it also made my pores look very big, so I've stopped using one, and that was a long time ago, like when Baba, or when I was pregnant with Baba. So that was really a long time ago, like 10 years ago. So I'm running out of my moisturizer, which is the Ariani Senaki moisturizer, and I was browsing online. I saw that online, but I don't know if it is right. It is okay to purchase online, because that store was a Korean store, and I don't know if I don't know, buying online, especially international and online stores. Purchasing online, especially international store, is very difficult because the shipping. I know I don't want to go through the hassle of with the post office or something, because it takes post office here in the Philippines is not good. It sucks, guys. It really sucks. I don't know. Sometimes your package won't arrive. Sometimes you will go through a lot of problems or hassles in dealing with your packages. So I don't want to go through that. So I was trying to find moisturizer locally, and I saw this one from Olay, and yeah, I've tried this for a week, I guess. So as you can see, ubos na. There's nothing left on it. I go through moisturizer very quickly. So I've tried this and it's pretty good. Yeah, it's done a pretty good job on my face. It did not break me out, but the problem is, I don't know. Oh, what's this? I don't know if you can see here, but I'm having some whitehead issues. My skin is so rough here. I don't know if you can see that, and I am having some small blackheads. The whiteheads has turned into blackheads here on my chin. On this area, I don't have. These are old marks. Yeah, it's not gone away. So that's my problem right now with this one, is that it gave me whiteheads and blackheads. And usually if I don't, or usually if my skin is clogged, I usually get my blackheads around this area here, like what happened to me before when I was using Japanese skincare. It was so thick and moisturizing, so it was good to the skin though, because it has made my very dry skin, when I was in Japan during winter time, it has made my very dry skin moisturized, especially the under eye area, where it tends to get very, very dry when the rest of your face is oily. So this is the first area on your face that gets really dry. So it really helped in moisturizing my skin, but at the same time it gave me a lot of whiteheads, like here. And I've noticed I have a lot of small whiteheads or filaments here on my nose too. So I don't know, I really like it though, because it says here that it brightens and lightens skin, and light and non-greasy. Yes, it's true that it's light and non-greasy, and it brightens a little my face. As you can see, my face looks bright. I don't have anything on my face, guys. So that's my only concern with this one. I don't know if I'm going to purchase this again. That's why I am so happy that they have this one in sachet, so that I could try it like for a week and see how does my skin reacts, because I don't want to waste spending, like, I think the bottle of this one costs like 400 or 300 something, and if I cannot use all of that, that will be a waste of money, right? So I don't know, I feel so torn right now with this product, because part of me likes it and part of me doesn't like it. I know, I think I'll just try it more, or I'll use a different toner or astringent on something on my face, just to get rid or to prevent me having whiteheads and blackheads, diba? So yeah, I'm really torn with this one. Turn between two. What? Lunchtime na, guys. Look at my ulam. It is humba a la mercy. Ito yung humba ni mama, guys. If you don't know what is humba is, I don't know, I'm not sure but I think it is adobo in Tagalog, but it is kind of similar but not that similar. But yeah, because humba has tawag nan, may sabaw siya, but adobo doesn't have any sabaw. So humba has sabaw, and you have this black beans here, and it tastes The taste of humba is salty, sour, and a little sweet. So, kain na! Yes! Hi friends! So, while watching and hanging around here, let's just have some snack. Happy peanut and magic flakes. Yeah. Diba? Which one do you prefer? Magic flakes or sky flakes? I think I like the magic flakes better than the sky flakes because the magic flakes looks uncooked. Diba? Masyado siyang ano yan? Sana ay what's that called? I forgot what's that called. It looks so pale. Yeah. Unlike this one, it has a little burnt on this side. So, yan. Kain lang tayo ng mani at saka magic flakes at saka kape. Yan. Still so bright outside. But I still have weird voice. Do I sound like a man? Like that? Parang nasa ilong lang lahat yung yung boses ko lumalabas, no? What's the visitor? Dushta, no? I thought it's something serious. I thought you were looking at the stocks, but it's crazy husband. But lovable. Hey friends, I have pasalubong from Burger King. Burger lang. Burger guys. Dinalhan ako nila Rookie Burger. Tsaka kami nila Mother Fries. This is my fries and how come 10 pieces na lang naiwan? Baba said that is your price. Yeah. Thank you, Ba. Thank you. What?
Kasi malululoy Sharon na fire. Si Babag, ikaw na ganito?
Friends, so I'm starting the vlog today super late. It is already 6 p.m. guys. I don't know, as you all know, I wasn't feeling very well the past days. I am having cold, headache and everything, sinusitis, allergies and all that jazz. So that's why everything is a little slow. And today I am feeling a little better, but not completely better. Yeah, I still have clogged nose going on. If you can hear from my voice, it still sounds pretty roboty. I don't know if there's such a word as roboty, but I sound like a robot and my voice seems like it's coming from my nose. So yeah, so we will be going to SMC side today. Now pala. Because Sashi wants to eat pizza and we just stayed home the entire day today. Actually, it's a Monday, by the way guys, and it's a holiday, so the kids are at home, so we're just staying the entire day at home since it is really raining. It's really raining the whole day today, so I don't know if there is a typhoon or a low pressure, but I don't know. I haven't seen the news if there is. So yeah, we'll just go to SMC sign, and I don't know if I could vlog after this, but let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I thought that I was filming already, but I forgot to push the button.
Aho na.
We're on our way to Itud house. There, we're looking for a moisturizer.
Wala.
Wala lagi. Hi! Hello! We're here now at Pizza Hut with Sashi and Ricky. Filler. Why? Give me that. Can you give me some candy? We're waiting for a pizza. It says 15 minutes daw. Uy, ganyan siya. Uy, waka ko kasilaw og red. Blue baya to og kuan ako ni kaon.
Blue or red gani?
Green lang.
Blue or red?
Solid.
No.
Oh my god, it's past my eating hours, but okay. Hello. Finally, lagi na lang finally, tapos na rin kami. May food na kami. We bought pizza and saging na turon. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It's already 8 p.m. guys. Eating time. Pizza Hawaiian. Kasi ate doesn't like any other flavor. Only Hawaiian. And Mountain Dew. Wait, I bite first, okay? I bite the triangle. Yes!
O na kayo sana.
Tao ba?
Bilhin saan man inyong tuloy.
I haven't eaten Pizza Hut that has stuffed crust pizza. It's always this one, the regular pizza, because Ate doesn't eat other pizza. Just this one. Yeah. What a choice, Ate.